Have you faced an issue with Facebook Reels keeps loading on your iPhone? If your answer is yes, don't worry. Here's an advanced guide on how to solve this Facebook Reel not working problem on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Before doing anything, make sure that you don't have any internet issues. You can also check by following the process. Solution 1. Check the internet speed. Open any browser. Search for an internet speed test. Tap on the first link and check whether you have enough speed or not. And then try on Facebook and see if it works or not. Otherwise, try the next solution. Solution 2. Try to restart your device. This can sometimes fix minor glitches with your phone's operating system. After restarting, check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then try the next solution. Solution 3. Update your Facebook app. Open the App Store, search Facebook, and if you find any updates, then please update the app. Now open Facebook. After that, check your issue and see if it's fixed or not. If you still have the issue, then try our last solution. Solution 4. Offload the Facebook app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap on iPhone Storage, find the Facebook app, tap on it, tap on the Offload the App button, and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the app and check your problem whether it's fixed or not. So, this is how you can solve the Facebook Reel not working problem on your iPhone or Android. If you still have any questions, then please write them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.